Okay guys, so the Lucky Fish Finder, essentially what you get in this modified pack is you get 3 pieces. You get the little dummy screw-on aerial. You'll get this as an extension to that aerial. Obviously that's your sonar at the bottom, and then your third piece, obviously the receiver with a screen with all the valuable information on it. So all you do is screw your aerial into the unit, and then the sensor with the sonar has to sit just in the water, because as you see here on this plastic moulding, you've got 2 little contacts there. Now that only comes on when those contacts are in the water. While I'm on the subject, or while I'm on this part of the kit, you'll see that there's a screw top lid on there. Now that is to gain access to the battery. The battery is one of these disc type units that goes in a watch, only maybe a little bit bigger. So all you do is put a coin in there, twist that off, take the old battery out, the new one in, and by the way, this comes supplied with a battery which is quoted up to 500 hours runtime. I don't think for 1 second you'll get that, but let's just say you got even half that, 250 hours. That is a long time to operate this unit, so I'm quite impressed with that. Okay, so attaching is simple. Got a suction pad there for the unit, transmitter unit, and you've got a suction pad there for the lower end. And all I do is simply attach this one first to the back of the boat, pop it onto there, push on, and then this one simply goes onto the lid of the bait boat. And it's that easy. And like I say, as soon as the sonar comes into contact with the water, that will instantly switch on, which is sort of foolproof really. Just watch how I place that down. Then this unit here is absolutely simple to use. It really is. It's sort of it's almost like a unit for dummies, if you like. So yeah, it's essential that you have the aerial out, because if you don't, then that will only work for about 5 or 6 meters in range, as a friend of mine found out. In fact, he didn't even know he had the aerial on it, so, which is quite funny. So yeah, take the aerial out and then it will start up automatically. It's telling me I've got no signal there. That's simply because the unit isn't in the water. Like I say, as soon as that hits the water, it will come on and then you're free to go. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you do like my videos, subscribe below. See you soon. Thank you.